Time FK7. Today we're going to be installing the skin plates on the FK7. Let's go. Yoshi!
So this is the stock skid plate. It's basically this flimsy, thin aluminum, really flimsy thing. I don't know how else to explain it. It's gonna easily be dented or damaged, whereas this one, it's a lot more sturdier, and it's color red, so it's kind of cool. So if you do take your car to the shop, the mechanic's gonna see this red guy right here, and they're gonna be like, "Ooh, wow, amazing." This is a lot thicker than your stock thing, and like, just if I move this around, like you can see it bend like that, and it's pretty light. So this weighs at least 5 times as much as that flimsy thing right there, but it's probably 50 times more sturdier, because if I move this around like that, you don't hear it bending, and it's not bending. So we're gonna go ahead and install this new skid plate, and we're probably just gonna get rid of that one. Plus it's gonna help out with the aerodynamics, because as you can see, it's like this is completely flat. You just have to unscrew this and that, and then you'll have access to your oil. So pretty simple, and it's pretty much straightforward. It does come included with all the hardware, so we're gonna do that. Basically what you need for this installation is a 10mm. I also have a flathead with me. Other than that, that's about it. You just need basically a screwdriver and your socket wrench set with a 10mm. These are the 2 Phillips screws that I was talking about. So first we're gonna remove that. Take a flathead, and there's a bunch of screws that you'd have to take off. There's one. So that's basically how you take this off. So now we can actually remove this now. So it just slides off like that. And like you can see the corrosion from the winter. It's still here. So we're gonna wipe that off. I believe this is your front pipe that connects the exhaust. So removing the front pipe on the Sport is actually going to be easier than the Type R. Holy shit, what's going on over there? What the fuck is going on over there? Somebody getting arrested over there. Alright guys, so if we go under, you're gonna see these little clips right here as soon as you remove your skid plate. So what basically, we're gonna take these clips off, and they look like this, and we're gonna be replacing them with the new clips. So this is the new clip, okay, and this is the old clip. So pretty big difference. So obviously this is a lot smaller and it's like half the size. So we're going to be installing this with this part facing up. Go over here, take a clip, replace it with the new clip, just like this. And you're just gonna push it in, use your muscle, because it is kind of hard. There you go, and until it just snaps into place. That's not gonna go anywhere. And you're gonna do that with all the clips. So wherever you see the clips, you're just gonna replace it. So a total of 6 of these. So you're just gonna replace them with the new ones. Okay, now that they're in, take your new skid plate and just put it in. Make sure it's the right way. So you want to have this little opening facing downward so that you have access to your oil and your filter. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this into this clip right here. So the front, this part is actually going to be going underneath the plastic like this. There's going to be 4 clips. So there's 1 right there, 2, 3, and 4. You guys can see. So we're just gonna insert it so that way it won't move and they'll be properly aligned. That's 1 right there. 2, make sure, oh, this one got loose. Okay, so that they're both in. That's in too. Okay, so that they're all in now. So next we're gonna hand tighten, starting off in the front. Don't forget your washer, by the way. Just hand tighten that. Alright guys, so everything is pretty much tightened, and yeah, that's about it. You're pretty much done with the installation. So now that you have access, you're gonna have a lot easier access to your oil drain plug right here, as well as your filter. Instead of removing this whole entire thing, you're just gonna take this off as well as this off. So it's a lot easier for when you get your oil changed, and it's not going to take 15 minutes trying to get the damn aluminum plate off. So yeah, this is the after. That's what it looks like, and it's a lot sturdy, and I'm pretty sure if you hit a bump or if a rock gets in here, it's not going to dent it like how it would with the stock aluminum skid plate. So yeah, that's about it. And just a quick tip: get all your stock hardware and put them in a bag and tie it with the aluminum stock one, so that just in case something happens to the aftermarket skid plate, at least you'll have backup. Which I highly doubt that's going to happen, but you never know what's going to happen in the future. Also, this looks so much better than the stock. Like, I know people aren't gonna see underneath except for like mechanics or yourself, but like it's cool to have a red little skid plate down underneath the car. It adds a nice aesthetic look to the car. About a 30-minute job, so it's really simple and it's pretty straightforward. Hey Flippy, do you know what time it is? It's time for subscriber builds, where I show off your builds on my channel. And our first build for today is... Our first build for today is from Tazukis Mejia, and he says, "Hey Chris, I've been watching your videos and I love the mods. I own a 2020 Sport Touring. I'm located in Boston, Massachusetts, and you can follow him on Instagram." Finally, we have Christian Tango, and he says, "Hey Chris, love the new Type R. Currently have a 2020 Civic Si, but I've always dreamed of the Type R. Well, hope that you keep Universal Civic videos so I can apply to the Si. All the best to you. Attached are my photos." And here's his mod list. If you want your build to be featured on my channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on my channel. Back to the video. Be sure to hit that like button if you like this video. If you're looking for LED lights or floor mats, check out LastFit's website because they do offer high quality products. I myself installed it on this car and on my Sport, and I really love their products. Be sure to use my code CTFK7 because you will get that discount of 10% off. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I do make content twice a week, Saturday and Wednesday. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.